Well, it's one thing to get all the mechanical side of things looked after, but it's a whole nother kettle of fish to make them all work. And that's what we're doing tonight. Just a few hours ago, we picked up the Naughty 40 from Blueflame Automotive, where they looked after installing the diffs and rebuilding the front and rear ends. But tonight, I'm almost a little bit more excited because now we get to make it all work. I've got Josh and Mario upstairs along with the Naughty 40. That's right, they're upstairs, including the car. And tonight we're going to be wiring in a whole bunch of ARB goodies and making everything work. Let's go see what they're up to. So we've got Josh and Mario from Ampt Automotive. They are the true wizards. These guys are solely responsible for the 12-volt artwork that this car has on it. And they've rewired it more times than probably any of us care to remember. Tonight's no different. Now, as always, I really don't have a lot of idea of what's going on. These guys are the wizards. So I'm gonna hand over to Mario. He's gonna run us through exactly what's going on tonight, and then we're gonna get stuck in. Let's do it.
Mario from Ampt Automotive. Here we go. First one. Hey, it's Mario from Ampt Automotive. Been doing this auto electrical thing now for about 7 years. Along the way, met Sam and been working on his rig for, I think this is the 4th time, trying to get it nailed on the head for him. Today in front of me, we're going to fit the Linx system by ARB and also fit the dual compressor. That's going to replace all the original and the old stuff that are in his car at the moment that are on its way out. So just standard cruiser things. Let's get into it.
Just don't get that on camera.
Don't get what on camera? Best way to get these switches out is to just build the back of them. So 1, 2, 3. You're there for your switch panel. Use on your next job.
Oh, it does.
It does.
I was lying. Oh, you might find some weird shit back there.
Yeah.
It might be cum.
Just like
Oh, that's the work vacuum thing. The boss was yelling about this the other day.
Yeah, on the paint like that. Done.
Please let go. It's going to cause so much pain to me. Oh, something's falling. Oh, the coffee machine. That's a coffee machine. Don't ask questions.
Where?
Where did I find you? So while the boys are busy at work behind me getting everything ready to plug this into the car, I thought I'd quickly tell you why I've chosen the ARB Linx system. So not only is it absolutely gorgeous looking, it's going to really clean up the dash of the 80 because it probably needed it. You can manage and monitor so many things through this. So you can run your compressor for your tyres, your front and rear ARB lockers. If you've got an ARB fridge, you can monitor that through this. It's got a GPS speedo, all your auxiliary lighting and stuff can be managed right through this console too, as well as wireless tyre pressure monitoring. You can air up your tyres with set PSI presets through here. You can really do just about everything, and all of that from such a slim design. The bracket's super heavy duty, and it's proving to not be too difficult to install so far, which is pretty exciting. The boys are pretty pumped about that. Better give this back to them so they can finish the install.
Motherfucker, make my life.
I've got a bushfire in the front of my car, mate. Tell you what, I'm super grateful that we have access to this space because without it, we would have been in true dire straits. So big thanks to Chris from Auto Rewards Club for throwing us the keys because truly meant we could get the job done so that I can go out and test this car on the tracks ASAP. Anyway, for now, these guys have got a long night ahead of them wrapping things up and getting it all buttoned up. So I'm gonna take off, get a bit of sleep, come back, pick it up in the morning, we're gonna head straight to the tracks. I reckon they'll be okay with that. Well, you've seen Blueflame Automotive install the lockers, you've seen Ampt Automotive wire up everything, now it's time for me to do something. We're here in Menai with Suzuki track behind me. We're going to show you what it looks like without lockers and what it looks like twin locked. Let's do it.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Hey, fuck you, knock, bitch.
Right tyre's going under.
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty easy to see the added benefits of having lockers, especially twin lockers in terrain like this. The grip you get, the traction, the confidence, and the control is second to none. There was always going to be ARB air lockers for me. I've had them in just about all of my previous four-wheel drives, so when it came time to upgrade to these new lockers, it was a no-brainer. The other thing I love is that ARB twin compressor because it makes pumping these things up from 4 PSI an absolute breeze, and controlling everything with the ARB Linx system, well, just makes life so easy it's almost cheating. Now, if you guys have any more questions, I'll do my best to answer them in the comments below, so do feel free to ask away. Otherwise, that's it from me. I need you to subscribe, I need you to like this, so that I can keep doing what you guys are enjoying. See you next time. You could probably, if you were prepared to do like another 78 turns, hard left, hard right, hard left, hard right, you could probably get
I reckon you probably got it.
Probably not.
Oh. Mario from Ampt Automotive. Ooh, fuck you, Sam. You good? Rig that we've been trying to pinpoint for him to try.
Do you want some help, Sam? Yeah, I just need someone that knows how to drive a car, ideally.